Hey sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are running through the Dollar Tree finding some brand new items that I'm seeing out at my stores and making them over into some gorgeous DIYs. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and let's get on into it. I was amazed to see these huge metal leaves at my Dollar Tree store. These don't even have the Dollar Tree tag on them, so these have to be like overstock items. Let me know if you're seeing them out at your store, but they even have like a high-end tag on them. And whenever I tried to look them up online, similar pieces were selling anywhere from like $20 to $40. So these are a steal. If you see them at Dollar Tree, be sure to grab a couple for yourself. You could spray paint these any color. They are a hefty material and they're going to last a long time. So I thought it'd be fun to actually use these for some mood lighting, maybe something that I can put in my master bedroom. I'm using some rub-on transfers and one of the candles, and I love all of the new rub-on transfers. They are putting out so many good ones. I went with this Love Peace Joy and tried to rub it on there. I got in a hurry and didn't take the time to get it down really good, so I did mess the A up in the piece, but these actually work really well. You just put a lot of pressure down and then filling this up with rocks. This only took a couple of minutes to put together, but I think it is gorgeous. It would be something that you could so easily customize to fit your own style. So next up are these hexagon shape signs, and I thought they were really cute as is, but in the store I held them together and they make like this really cute like honeycomb flower shape. So I really did like it. I thought it would be like a fun like tabletop piece that you could like decorate with like a group of three, kind of put some height in the back of any kind of like tier tray or something you want to decorate with. So I wanted to make these over. The first thing I did was take a little spatula or anything flat would work and just pry off that top little frame. And then the backing is paper, and something that's way easier than using sandpaper to sand all of this down is to take like a damp cloth or wet paper towel and let this soak for just a minute or two, and then you're able to easily wipe away the excess paper. So this works really well. You can even do this a couple of times to get the thicker paper in the middle, but I was able to get it all scraped off, and then you can sand away the residue of the glue or the excess paper. And then I picked out a really cute like design that I wanted to put on mine. I have this like black paper pad, so I picked up this floral design and then just cut it out to size, glued this down, and replaced the frame. You could get really creative with this. You could put like black and white photos in here, would be really cute. I just like the simplicity of the floral design and then adding back in the black frame. I feel like it's like a gorgeous piece that has like texture and design to it, but it's not super colorful. This is something that will definitely transition into my fall decor. I can decorate around it with colorful pieces, but I love the boho style and bringing in those black tones and different designs, so I think it looks really cute. I did use wood glue to attach these together. They are like thick, heavier pieces, so I really wanted them to have a strong hold. So attach these together and then it actually stood up by itself. Dollar Tree is blowing me away with all of these gorgeous rub-on decals. I am definitely here for it, and I'll take as many as I can get. So I love this Farm Fresh flowers, and recently I picked up some of these gorgeous sunflowers in more of like softer tones or fall colors. So I wanted to put them in a really cute crate with this little label on it. I painted it white, put this Farm Fresh flowers. It does have the lines, so I did have to push down inside of the little grooves to get those letters to stick, but this went on there really nicely. And then I added in some styrofoam, put my little flowers in it, And while I feel like these flowers are perfect for fall, I love the blues and neutral tones, you also could add in some leaves, and then whenever each season rolls around, you could definitely just pull these out, add to it, change the colors, but the black and white base is going to be perfect as a neutral that you can just fill in with each season's florals. So these black and white vases are fairly new. I've been seeing several people DIYing with them. They are a really fun design and great size. I wanted to use them for fall, so I'm going to spray paint it with some silver spray paint first and then use some stone. And then what I was dying to use was these new floral stems. They're called Silver Dollar, but they are at Dollar Tree. You can go for more of the neutral or add in orange, but these look so gorgeous in that stone vase. I love this. I think it looks so high-end and cute, but I'm so excited to bring in more of the orange fall colors. These wooden words that are for sale right now are a great quality. So they have these in 3 different colors. I love the white and the wood, but I thought this black would look really good on like a white board, so I could add in some black rub-on transfers. Now, I don't know why they put out a million words of relax. I wish they would have did like home or family, so we could have played around with more of it. But relax is something that you could put in your family room, in your master bathroom, bedroom, anything like that. So this would look cute anywhere in your home, but I decided to add in the black rub-on transfers to the bottom. I tried to make them go in opposite directions and then add little flowers in the middle, glued that down, but this is a really cute piece that you can display. And like I mentioned, I think it would be perfect for a bathroom or sitting area, but I love the fun design. It kind of has a boho feel, but turned out really cute. I found 3 different designs of these circular signs. They have the wooden base bottom. These are really, really cute. I love the home one as is. I think it looks gorgeous just setting on a tabletop area, but I didn't love the color of the other sign. So it kind of has like a brown mustard, like dirty yellow color. So I wanted to make it coordinate with my other sign and make it black, once again going for more of a boho look. So just using a Sharpie, I'm just easily going to go over the text and the little vines, and this is going to make it look so much like more my style. So you could definitely do this with any color to match your style, but I think it turned out really good. So I love all of the like plastic buffalo check pieces that Dollar Tree's been putting out. And the last time I was in there, I found this huge charger that has the galvanized middle. So this didn't make it home. My kids stepped on it or something, and it has a crack at the bottom. So I knew I wanted to make this into something that I could use, maybe put a bow at the bottom that would cover up the damage, and you'll never know. So I found this little chalkboard heart, put that down in the middle, and then I'm making a huge bow to cover up the crack with just some burlap ribbon. This isn't really a fall DIY, but it definitely could transition into fall. You could add different color ribbons or greenery to it, but just kind of staying more neutral, but covering up the crack and then adding an initial in the middle. It was at this moment that I realized I have 2 bows stacked on top of each other, the little bow on the heart and the one at the bottom. Even for me, that's way too many. So I decided to remove it, and then I did have to peel off the W and add a new one so that it was more centered without the bow. I added in, or hot glued, some greenery to both sides underneath the bow, and then added in some twine ribbon. I did have to drill the holes at the top, but that was super easy. It went through really nicely. It didn't crack or anything. Added some beads to this, and then I'll be able to hang it up for display. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crafting. Bye.